cool as a moose. There's a beautiful male planetary warbler. Oh wow. Hi everybody, I'm Wayne Bell and I'm instructing the springtime version of Birds and Birding on the Eastern Shore. It's the second of two-part course. The theme for this one is the awesome nature of bird migration, and it should be terrific. The course, as in the past, the course itself involves most of the teaching in the field, bird identification, bird by bird, species by species. There will be a total of 7 field trips. 5 of them will be to local destinations, places like Pickering Creek Audubon Center and a couple of private properties. 2 of them will be longer sojourns that will take us most of the day. The first one will be to the wilds of the Pocomoke River watershed down in Wicomico County. The second will be to Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge. And that one will be for shorebirds, and we hope to catch the peak of shorebird migration in late May. So the course itself will then, the field trip portion at least, will be bookended by 2 in-person hybrid classes. The first will introduce some birding skills and then look at migration itself, what we know about why birds do it and how we track it. And the second will deal with a recap plus some insights into how we can approach saving our migrant birds. So please join me, and we'll get together and watch the arrival and passage of spring through the lens of bird migration. Great Zot! That's a flock of American avocets.